We are in Jay Peak, Vermont, at the mountain here, standing outside of 319 Jay Peak Road, taking a look at Unit 4706. Ski in, ski out on the mountain. Let's go inside and take a look. So this is a ski in, ski out property, so you can actually go right to the door, ski right down the trail, come into your door. This is an owner's lockout. You can put your skis in there. It doesn't have to be a lockout. You can leave your skis, or you can leave that for the renters, which I highly suggest because it keeps them from bringing the skis in the house. The house was really clean. The carpets, everything was really clean, so I switched my shoes up here into some slippers. There's a second floor unit. The top of the stairs here, you can hang jackets and put some helmets and gloves and things like that. Then you have a closet right away, so it's pretty convenient. You have the ski locker downstairs. You have a place to hang your jackets, and then a closet as soon as you walk in the door, so you get rid of all that, kind of shed all that gear you have on, wet gear, snowy gear, before you get into the actual property. And then, you've seen ski condos. I mean, this is a pretty sizable open unit. That's what people like when they come in to rent these units. They like to have, family gatherings type of stuff. So this place here is pretty big. Everything is in really nice condition. The owner takes really good care of it. He does use it pretty frequently. He uses it a lot more than most people do up here. A lot of folks just use it for investment and they rent. But he likes to ski, so he's up here quite a bit. Granite countertops, and the appliances are black. They all match and look good. The cabinets are nice. This unit, I believe, is fully furnished as it comes, so it's ready to go. This is a little porch off to the side here. Obviously, it's full of snow right now, but it is looks right out over the mountains into Canada, which is cool, and it overlooks the golf course kind of through the trees. In the summertime, you might have a hard time seeing the golf course because it's all green. But anyway, nice views, good light in here, a lot of sun coming through. I turn the lights on inside, or most of them, just because I want to get as bright as possible, but there's a lot of sunlight coming through here. And again, a lot of room. Like I was saying, a lot of families, this, come up to ski resorts because they want to spend some time together. So big open room is great. Plenty of room for kids to hang around and do their thing in the living room. Parents right there to get the breakfast bar. Dining room area, so it's pretty functional. This is your stackable washer and dryer here, kind of tucked in. And then we head to the first bedroom, which is the master bedroom, and there's a bathroom attached. And again, just like the kitchen, it's your basic maple cabinets with the black granite countertops. There's a full shower in there. Hey guys. Just again, good sized bathroom for a condo. It's a ski condo. It's like a luxury unit at the Ritz. This is just a nice upper level condo here at Jay Peak. Pretty good sized room. Again, nice views going out. Just tons of sunlight. I don't even have any lights on in this room, as you can see. It's just straight out to the sun. Now take a look straight out. You see that little clearing right there? That's where you ski back from. That's a trail going across the horizon. You cut through that little cutout and ski right through the parking lot to your front door. And you can walk right out and jump on that trail and ski down to a lift as well. So that's kind of nice to have that ski in, ski out sort of situation without having to take a shuttle, although there are shuttles available if you do want them. And then just a closet here. Pretty basic closet for ski condos. Put your stuff in. Extra linens and such for renters. Your electric panel box is in there. And there's the master bath again as we head back out into the hallway and go towards the second bedroom, which does not have a bathroom attached to it, but there's one right behind it. And again, pretty good sized room, ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, lots of bright light coming through. This is, again, we're to that ski out and ski out. See that little notch in the woods there? It's where the trail ski right through. Another closet. This one is locked. It's an owner's lockout closet, so there's a key for it, and you can stash some stuff in there and lock it if you need to lock something. King size beds in both rooms, a little bureau. And then we're going to go to the second bathroom. It is a full bathroom again with a full shower and a tub. And just the basic, again, maple cabinets and granite countertops that we have in the kitchen. But the unit in general is just super clean. It's in super good condition. There's the carpets aren't stained. There's no holes or chips in the walls. It's just really functional, a great unit. Uh, I think it was when I was talking to the agents up here, the rental agent. I met her when I came in. She said this unit would rent all. She'd rent it as much as possible. She wished the owner would rent it more, but he comes up and skis quite a bit. So that's why the income, even though it's really good, it could be better. Could be better. So that porch out there is pretty big, good sized porch, but a lot of snow piled up on that. When I was pulling in, Jay Peak was shoveling and snow blowing in the driveway, shoveling the steps off. They take care of all that for you.